Hi! Welcome back to my channel ba? So, since wala akong magawa, itutur ko kayo dito sa apartment namin here sa Ireland. So, kung makikita nyo, yung likod ko, that's the main door. Then, pagpasok mo dito, ito na yung salamin. And then, ito yung sala. So, by the way, this is fully furnished nung lumipat kami. So, itong couch na yan, that is already here. Pati ito. Tapos, down here is yung balcony. Tapos, ang maganda dito kasi makikita mo yung mismong city. City nga ba? City naman na to, pero yan. Hindi siya nagpo-focus, makikita mo doon. Yan. Ayokong buksan kasi malamig. Yan. Okay, tapos dito, ayan na yung dining table. 4-seater siya. Kasama na din siya nung lumipat kami. Ito ang bumili nito, yung ka-room namin. Then, nandito yung kitchen. Check natin. Color maroon. So, ito yung ref. Yan. Tingnan natin kung anong laman ng ref na OFW. Wala. Tapos, here. Freezer. Okay. Okay, tapos ito yung sink. Yan. Dalawang rice cooker. Ito yung sa amin ni Rico and ito yung kay Ate Aiza. Dito sa Ireland is pwede ka uminom ng water directly from the sink. But my ka-roommate, Ate Aiza, bought this. Para siyang filter. So, nakikigamit lang kami. Ito yung lutuan. Induction. Then, here is yung oven. Then, microwave. It's already included here when we lipat dito. Cabinets, a lot of cabinet. Cabinet din. Cabinet. Yan. Washing machine. With dryer. Okay. Another cabinets. Then, here yung mga lagayan ng kaldero. Okay. Then, another cabinet. Plato. Ito yung mga baonan. Then, ito is yung bigas and stuff. Okay. Basurahan. Okay, ito pati itong vacuum na to. Kasama na din siya. So, let's move on. So, back ulit tayo dito sa parang entrance. So, ito yung sinasabi ko earlier. This is the entrance. Ito yung salamin. Then, pagpasok natin dito, ito yung broiler. So, nandyan yung mga water and all. Then, on the other side is the toilet. So, this is the common toilet. Toilet namin ni Rico. It has big salamin. It has sink. And another salamin with light. Ayan. And, best thing about it, meron silang bathtub. So that's it. Then meron sila yung ano, parang dryer or something. Para hindi mainit. Okay. Now, let's move on to this area. So this is the first room and the second room. So this room is pagmamayari ng room namin si Ate Aiza. This one has inbuilt toilet. So yung toilet na to sa amin dalawa ni Rico. Now let's go to our room. Okay, we have also heater here. Yung room. This is my planner. What I like about this room is it has a lot of cabinets, so storage. Sino ba naman may ayaw ng storage, right? So, para walang clutter. Yan. So, ito yung mga... So, sa taas is yung printer. And ito, these are the coats and yung mga bandana na we've used na. So, we are reusing it not just once kasi mahirap maglaba. So, dyan ko nilalagay. And some of our bags, clothes that we use once, like for pangbahay lang or pantulog, I usually put it there so we can reuse it. Bags that we usually use when we go out. And best thing about this is they have a shoe rack. So, wala kaming shoes outside because we have it each in our room. Now, let's move on to the second cabinet. This is my cabinet. Ayan, maganda siya. Parang Japanese style. I don't know if it can. Okay, so these are the coats that are clean. And then up there is my bags. Ayan. So, I have here my damit. Okay. Tara, the cabinet here, the drawer here is nice also. So, I have here second drawer. Third one is here. So, yung mga chuba-chuba lulu lang. Okay. Okay. Then, let's move on to the next cabinet. So, this one is for Rico. This is, yan. I don't know kung malinis pa yung cabinet. So, ayan, madami siyang coat. Yan sa kanya lahat. Ang sa taas nakalagay nun puro mga boxes ng shoes na may mga laman na hindi masyadong sinusuot. He has his own drawers too. But yung kanya naman is parang plastic. Pero mabigat and, malaki yung spaces. Ayan. Tatlo din. So, yan. Yan yung sa ilalim. Ito yung mga yan, mga coats. Mga bandana. Okay, now let's move on to the fourth cabinet. Pero ito ay single lang siya. So, yan. Para siyang same nung akin. So, yan. Ito ay nakalagay doon yung mga bags na hindi masyadong ginagamit. Then, here, para siyang storage lang siya. Ayan. Linens. Tapos, ito yung maleta ni Rico. Nandiyan nakalagay din yung hand carry na maleta. May maleta. Nandiyan nakalagay yung isang medium na maleta and hand carry. And here is the bintana. Nice. Sobrang lamig dito as in. So, ito yung mga kapitbahay namin. Parking is free pag may sasakyan ka kahit ilan. We have this always. Yan. Okay, so this is our kama. It's magulo and it's crumpled kasi I just did kaka-laundry ko lang kahapon. Tapos nilagay ko na siya kasi isa lang yung duvet namin. And sinampay kasi naglaba ako. Lately lang, kanina lang. So sa kwarto namin siya sinasampay para if ever isa sa amin ang magluluto, hindi na siya hindi siya, alam mo yun.